Hey folks, welcome to RCD Sales here in Delaware. My name's Jay Iden. I'm one of the product specialists here in Towable Sales. Today we're going to come check out the new Cougar 260 MLE. Let's go check this thing out. So folks, this is the upgraded Midnight Edition from Cougar. Brand new full body paint, as you can see. If you want a resale value, look awesome going down the road, be a real head turner, you're going to get that. As part of that package, you're going to get full lithium batteries inside the coach that you're not going to get with the package down, plus a 440i series solar package. Okay, that means instead of your standard 100 or 200 watt package, now you're up to a 440i package, all coming with this Midnight Edition. So a couple other really cool outside features, guys. Auto level system, one touch, get unhooked from your truck, no more messing with any other stabilization on it. You got the awesome underneath lighting here, adds once more a little bit more curb appeal when you're parked at the campground. Back here we have our outside kitchen. You got griddle cooktop, okay? You don't have to worry about heating up stuff inside your coach, plus a little outside fridge. Keep some of your beverages out here so you don't go in and out of your camper all the time. Okay, folks, so moving inside the camper now. You got a great breakfast bar area, great place for your coffee pot, crock pot, stick over here so you don't have to take up any of your countertop space, okay? Huge pantry here for storage of all your goods and accessories while you're on the road. Moving over here, you got very comfortable theater seating. You got flip down center console here with heated, and you got power outlets and USBs all in there to plug in. But if you want to get a little bit more snuggly, you can flip that right back up out of the way. For the size of this unit, what's awesome, you come over here, you got huge, big double door fridge. Most of your campers this size is going to have a 10 cubic footer. This is a 16, so obviously way more storage. And then back here, kitchen area, awesome. Ton of storage, ton of windows. You're going to see that all the way around the camper. All of them open, so if you want airflow on that nice day, you can get it. Countertop space, storage all the way with all the cabinetry. All hardwood doors, no wrapped doors here like you'll see in some other cheaper camper brands here with Cougar. Got ceiling fan on top. That runs off 12-volt batteries, so if you're doing some dry camping, need to move the air, you can do all that. Now moving over into your entertainment area, guys. You got a huge TV here right across from your theater seating, so comfortable viewing angle there. Got the awesome fireplace down here too. Puts off 5,000 BTUs of electric heat, so maybe on that little bit chillier night, you ain't got to run your furnace, which is kind of nice. If you also are wondering where's the dinette at in this one, hey, it's right here. Awesome new concept. So if you need that seating area to sit out for kitchen, you can have it, but then you can put it away and really open up your living room again. Now moving up to the bathroom space here, guys, you got porcelain toilet, not plastic, okay? Got huge storage back here in the corner for linens, toiletries, all that. Big rectangular shower with seat built into it. At the sink area, you have a huge medicine cabinet to put stuff in. Stainless steel sink, not plastic, in here as well. Okay, so moving into the bedroom now. Number one, double ACs on this coach, both 15,000 BTU air conditioners, so you have a second air conditioner in your bedroom that's fully ducted. Super cool Coleman Mach 2 that does a replaceable air filter in there, just like your home filter would be. King size bed here, okay? USB and USB and 110 plug on each side. You got CPAP machine storage up top. Then you move up here to storage in the closet area. Huge hanging rack. Got those shoe storage as well down here. And then in this closet, you'll have washer dryer prep if you want to put that stackable unit in here, or just utilize it for more storage as well. Thanks, guys, for coming on a tour of the new 260 MLE here at RCD in Delaware. My name's Jay again. This unit currently is available. It's sitting actually on our showroom floor here. So if you come in and want to take a longer peek at it, feel free to come in and do that. You can check it out on rcdrv.com or give us a call. Look forward to having you out.